I have 5 rules. First of all, no overtaking.
Yeah.
Second one is keep it on track. The third one is listen to me carefully when it's necessary.
Of course.
I won't say anything until it is necessary for safety measures.
Yeah.
Fourth one is it's very slippery sometimes, so
Yeah, especially the second.
Yeah.
Fifth, yeah, no, sorry, fifth or maybe, yeah. Fifth and second is too slippery, I think.
Yeah. Some place are. This fifth one is have fun.
Now can we go? This one is slippery.
Yeah.
Was it safe?
Huh?
Was it good or safe?
The last turn you could have taken slower.
Yeah.
But just for a
Safe.
quicker.
Yeah. And the other cars were also fast. That's why I was lucky, because sometimes they are driving really so slow.
True that.